Hey guys, I'm Arbin Thomas from Arbin GT, and in today's video I'll be doing the review of one of the thinnest power banks from Samsung. So let's get started. Guys, you can see here the Samsung power bank in a nice beautiful box, and you can see here the box itself is very thin compared to the other power bank that I had done the review on my channel, the Sony Cycle Energy, and it is very heavy and bulky with 50,000 mAh battery. Yeah, it did a great job, but considering this is the thinnest and lightweight power bank, and you can see here this has a 10,000 mAh battery and with fast charging. That is the plus point for this power bank. And with 10,000 mAh 50 watt type C with dual USB port, and on the back you can see the main specs. You can read here the main specs. Yeah, now let's get into the unboxing and review. You can see here inside this box the piece, and now let's take the power bank out. You can see here the power bank, very stylish and very beautiful. You can see here it is written here fast charging 10,000 mAh, and back is full plain. Considering, you can see here returns. Yeah, let's keep the power bank aside and let's look what's inside the box. You can see here some paperworks and some manuals. Okay, let me keep it aside, and also the box. And inside here you are getting a USB cable. You are getting a USB type C cable on the box, which you can charge the power bank with USB-C fast charging. Yeah, you are getting a USB-C port right here and a 50 watt USB-C port, and here you are getting a fast charging 2 USB ports, and you can see also with light indicator. And yeah, you can see it is very thin and made up of hard aluminum. Okay, and the cable itself is very a good quality one. You can see here it is not round, it is flat, and you can see here power bank itself is very nice, and it got I need to charge this power bank. Yeah, it only takes like 5 to 6 hours for fully charging the power bank, and for charging a mobile phone it will only take 45 minutes or something like that. Considering this power bank, it takes about 12 to 24 hours for fully charging. And now let's charge with this phone. Yeah, let's charge it. Yeah, you can see here fast charging. It's 80%. You can see here fast charging. Yeah, this is actually fast charging, and it will take only like, yeah, with this power bank I can charge this phone 3 times, and my Samsung Galaxy Note 4 times, and other phone for, it depends on the battery capacity of the phone. It is very great, this power bank, and this is also a cheap rated one. You can buy this one from Amazon or online or from the Samsung store itself. Yeah, I bought it from the shop. So yeah, that's pretty all about this power bank in today's video. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please go down below and click on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you guys won't miss any more updates from channel. If you like the video, like button. And I'm Arbin Thomas from Arbin GT, and I'll catch you in the next one.
caught in the crossfire.